Here we come to the elevators at the Overlook building in Durham, North Carolina. Sorry about my shoes squeaking, but it was raining out there. Anyways, look at this call button. What kind of Epcot fixtures are these? I've never seen this before. This fixture looks exactly like the Dover elevator at the Hyatt Regency in San Antonio before it was totally replaced. But we got a Schindler MT, but this is traction. This is traction, y'all, not hydro. I want to look at the call station out here. Wow, look at that. Love the motor starting up. Look in the door. Hi. Door close button does not work. Look in the ceiling. Hello? I want to view the numbers. These are in pretty mint condition. The button is stuck. Look at that button. The button is literally stuck. Anyways, we'll get the other elevator color this time. It is definitely pouring out rain outside. Oh, here it is. Schindler Surprise. You can literally see my Schindler logo I'm wearing on my shirt. Here's your phone. What do you guys think of me wearing my Schindler elevator shirt in the video? These are fast. I'll go for one more ride. I'm gonna get a detailed cavity before we leave here. I know a lot of enthusiasts say that these elevators are considered as Schindler 700A that I have noticed. I'm not sure if it's really true. I'm not even sure if there's a 500A based on the certain chimes like at the Sugarland Town Square parking garages. I guess I might safely go with 700A, as I safely heard from a lot of enthusiasts as they call these regular Schindler traction elevators. But anyway, speaking of Schindler, in case you were wondering, I actually chose to wear my Schindler elevator shirt each time I see a Schindler elevator. So, anyways, something really cool is this call station right here. See? I've never seen this kind of call station before. See, this is one of the rarest EPCO call stations I've ever seen. Does this belong on a Schindler Haunton elevator of some sort? But anyways, like I said, this elevator fixture looks exactly like what the Hyatt Regency in San Antonio had. But anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.